So it's Friday the 27th of October. I'm with Siôn Hudson.
Hello.
And we are on our way to Fareham to go and collect a car.
Yeah.
And the red material on the t-shirts,
And I'm wearing red as well.
and Sean's wearing red as well, might be a hint as to what it's going to be. Yes, we're our first bit of M25 joy, where people with limited brain cells can't manage to drive on a 1, 2, 3, 4-lane motorway. Yay! We're now on the M3. Whee!
Hopefully the 50 mile an hour speed limit eventually stop. Probably 70. Come on.
You want to do autobahn speeds, don't you?
I want to do autobahn speeds, yes, because I took this car to Germany a couple of weeks ago, and I was doing 100 miles an hour quite regularly. It was fantastic.
Whereas we're now doing
48.
48.
Come on! Oh, I see national speed limit sign. I'm in the wrong lane to actually speed up though. Gone.
Yeah, you can't unpackage the Fury. The 5-cylinder Fury.
5-cylinder Fury cannot be released at present because we've got cars around us. Come on, people.
Unpackage the Fury!
Almost. I haven't got to the sign yet. And I need to watch out for the fact that there's a Skoda Roomster. Oh, and the transit van now pulling out as well. So
Boo!
Boo! I'll unpackage it in a second. Oh, that's as fast as I can go.
Aww.
I've run out of speed.
It's not autobahn.
Sad night. We have a problem. We need to be quick because we park next to a car that has a child seat in it.
Oh god. Quickly. Okay, now I'm nervous. With 0.3 of a mile to go. Handshake. That'll be the first ultimate test, won't it? When I go over those speed bumps.
Yeah. Will it do it better than?
Will it do it better than XC60? Yeah. Looks about right to me. You can see why once Citroen's been down there. There's VEP. I can see VEP there. Are you going to be able to get through that gap? Yes, I would say we're in the right place because there's various BXs and
There's a lot of BXs.
other assorted French things.
Probably you've got it when you compare something like a Marina, especially when the Italy was out, and this was out at the same time. I mean, one's got leaf springs and one's.
I know.
Yes. Transactor, back, a non-return valve in it. Never actually did that, but it's not. So when you use the washer,
Having had a chat with the man, the myth and the legend, Mr. Kitch, it was just a case of heading off back to Cambridgeshire, nervously.
I reckon one pump now, and then just flick it. I love the old PSA starter motor disengaging. should be absolutely fine.
He's very nervous.
Yeah, I know. I can't understand it. I can't get my missus looks like that. I drive so many different cars.
Me too. I'm much less nervous now than I used to be.
I drive so many like weird cars as well.
But he doesn't.
No, I know. It's really hard to get my head in that mindset.
He's got a Volvo V70 that he hates is old.
Oh, bless him. Sorry? When it's ready. You can drive it. Yeah.
That's why I don't like automatic.
Why is it exhaust button?
Because it doesn't like you.
Literally just sold it. Oh, it is a little bit low, isn't it? Yeah, I probably want to come up a tiny bit. It looks nice when it's on though.
Brakes work.
Yeah.
In a quarter of a mile, merge onto M27.
Come on, MG. Predictably, the BX made it back with absolutely zero dramas, and I was truly amazed how good it is for a 40-year-old car. Naturally, we had a play overnight, and then the following morning, I decided to let Siôn have a go. So, interior rattles aside, Siôn, what do you think?
I am so jealous of an 80s car with a fifth gear and this level of refinement at 70 miles an hour. It's fab. And it's so glidey. I'm jealous.
Finally, in what will probably be a huge shock to everybody, I didn't actually clean the BX. Instead, I decided to tackle my former XC60, which now belongs to Siôn, which was quite mucky, transforming it from this absolutely filthy beast into something a little bit more approaching my standards. There we go, VEP is now in temporary storage whilst I sort a few things out, but plenty of plans and maybe an adventure before the end of the year, we'll have to see. Leaving VEP in temporary storage was probably the hardest part of the weekend for me. I absolutely loved driving it, and I absolutely cannot wait to get VEP home and start doing the extra work and plans that I have. Speaking of plans, I have two more videos before the end of the year. One will be about why I've decided to buy VEP, and the other one will be about what my plans are. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do consider liking and subscribing before you go, and I'll see you in a future one. Cheerio! Definitely not a Volkswagen.